Hello guys, today is completely different video. I bought some TV, like really extremely cheap, 46-inch Philips, and it have 7 blinking like lights when you turn it on. It's blink of that. I download the manual for repair and do a little bit of research. And this is S up like buffering board, and checking some video online, because if you change this you have up and down like boards for this problem, because it's manual says like that. And after spending some time like researching and everything, I hope you see, yeah, this is the board. So when you put you don't see, when you put this on the ground and going with this on the connection, you don't see here, it's no sound at all. Need to be quiet, like no short like circuit. And on this one, nothing, and it start beeps. You hear the beep. So what you now realize, which board is like damaged, because the boards are like 25 euro each. See, and here it's tiny like on the board, and I removed this previously, and here you can clearly see, sorry, that's my phone, that's my love, she's gonna finish now on the video. So I removed the silicone and you can clearly hear it short. It's very hard to change this, I don't have equipment for that. You can see here, when you put on this one, doesn't matter, I will buy a new one, nothing. I remove a little bit of silicone, not everything. You can see, you can really, doesn't matter. This chip, or what is it, don't know, not electrician, it's damaged, not damaged, like burn. And for this TV, yeah, I paid TV 25 euro. It's a massive one, like meter 20, 46-inch Philips, not too bad, like HD, everything, HD. And for this board, now I'm searching everywhere, like to get cheapest possible. You can see here, I will show you. Here is the number of that board. It's this part number. See? Not really, but yeah. And A5334 SD. Okay, I will make like other video. This really works. So I checked the other one. You can see here is the other one. Other board. Move this, and when you do the same thing on the second one, it's nothing. So see, no short circuit or something. Okay, thanks for watching, and I repair in my like past older TV, you know, with fat ass. I call it fat ass. It's really difficult. I never know what I'm doing. One occasion we fixed the TV, it was outside, it was working 3 hours and then dead completely. But yeah, we'll see with this one. I hope it's gonna like work. So thank you for watching and have a nice evening. So see See ya.